Starting a business is exciting, but can also feel overwhelming. Trust me, I've been there. But I've learned that taking that first step is what separates dreamers from doers. It's easy to fantasize about being your own boss, running a business, and living the life you want. But without action, it's just a dream. Let's face it, fear is one of the biggest obstacles. What if it doesn't work out? What if I lose money? What if I fail? These questions are normal, but they shouldn't stop you from chasing your dream. Then, there's the challenge of resources. Many people think, I don't have the money, or I don't have the right skills or connections. But here's the truth, you don't have to figure it all out from day one. Starting small and building your way up is the key. Another big hurdle? Uncertainty. Questions like, what if I'm not good enough? Or what if nobody wants my product? Creep in. But uncertainty is just part of the journey. You'll learn as you go, and with every step, you'll get better and closer to success. So, how do you move forward despite these challenges? It starts with setting clear goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my business? What problem am I solving? What kind of impact do I want to make? Having clarity gives you a roadmap and direction to take action. Next, find a mentor, someone who has been in your shoes, who can guide you and help you avoid costly mistakes. A mentor's experience is invaluable and can save you a lot of time and stress. Building a strong support network is another game changer. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, your vision, and your potential. They'll encourage you, motivate you, and offer fresh ideas when you need them most. Let me tell you about Sarah. She always dreamed of starting a bakery, but fear held her back. She had no formal training, no idea if her baked goods would sell, and very little money to start. But she took the leap. She started small, selling at farmers markets. She connected with other entrepreneurs who guided her, and she had the support of family and friends who cheered her on every step of the way. Today, Sarah runs a thriving bakery, and she's living her dream. Stories like Sarah's remind us that the first step is what matters. You don't need to be perfect or have everything figured out. All you need is the courage to start and the willingness to learn along the way. Now, let's talk about Kickstarter and how it can help you launch your business. Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform where people support your idea in exchange for rewards. The best part? You're not giving away equity or ownership in your business. For funding guidance, you can also check my video regarding equity and VC funding. Before you start your campaign, validate your idea. Test it out. Share mock-ups on social media, run surveys, or create a landing page to see if there's real interest. If people are excited about it, you're on the right track. Log into Kickstarter, click Start a Project, and select the category for your idea. Create a clear, attention-grabbing project title. Craft your story. Write an engaging story about your business. Highlight the problem you're solving, your solution, and your journey. Use high-quality visuals and a 2 to 3 minute pitch video to build trust. Set a realistic funding goal. Calculate all costs, including production, shipping, and Kickstarter's fees, 8 to 10%. Set an achievable financial target since Kickstarter uses an all-or-nothing model. Create backer rewards. Offer tiered rewards for different budgets. Ensure they're valuable, cost-effective, and have clear delivery timelines. Choose a launch date. Avoid holidays or events, and pick a date when you can fully promote your campaign. Build pre-launch excitement through social media and emails. Add payment details. Provide accurate banking, identification, and tax details for Kickstarter's payment system, Stripe, to ensure smooth transactions. Submit for review. Finalize your project page. Check for errors, and submit it to Kickstarter for review. This process can take up to 3 business days. Launch your campaign. Once approved, click Launch to go live. Promote your campaign widely via social media, email, and press outreach. Engage with backers through updates and responses to build momentum. Congratulations! By following these steps, your project will be live on Kickstarter within 1 to 3 days after their approval. Now, let's dive into some valuable tips to make your Kickstarter project a success. Set clear goals for your campaign. Decide how much funding you need and why. Remember, Kickstarter is all or nothing. You only get the funds if you meet your goal. And don't forget to plan creative and exciting rewards that your backers will love. Your campaign page is your chance to shine. Make it visually appealing and emotionally engaging. Use a catchy title to grab attention. Create a short video pitch, around 2 to 3 minutes, where you share your story, explain your product, and connect with your audience. Use high-quality images and descriptions to showcase your product's benefits. People love to back campaigns they feel emotionally connected to. Marketing your campaign is just as important. Start promoting before you even launch. Use social media, email newsletters, and blogs to create buzz. Partner with influencers or communities in your niche. And reach out to media outlets to share your story. The more eyes on your campaign, the better. Once your campaign is live, keep your backers engaged. Share regular updates, respond to comments quickly, and celebrate milestones with them. If you exceed your funding goal, introduce stretch goals to keep the excitement alive. After a successful campaign, your job isn't done. Deliver on your promises. Keep your backers informed about timelines, and be transparent if there are delays. Fulfilling rewards on time builds trust, and a happy backer today could become a loyal customer tomorrow. Using Kickstarter has so many benefits. It validates your product idea, builds a loyal customer base, and generates publicity for your business. It's more than just a funding platform. It's a way to connect with people who believe in your vision. So, there you have it, a complete guide to turning your business dreams into reality with Kickstarter. If you've been sitting on a great idea, now is the time to take action. Remember, the first step is the most important one. If you've got a business idea you're passionate about, I'd love to hear it. Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Funding Sparks for more tips, strategies, and success stories to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.